In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Samsung Calendar that is not syncing. First, start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung device. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. As you navigate through the settings, you will see various options that control different aspects of your device. Finding the right settings is crucial because it allows you to manage and customize your device to your liking. Once you have the settings open, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Next, tap on Accounts and Backup. This option is typically located near the top of the settings menu. It's important to access this section because it contains essential information about all the accounts linked to your device, including your email and calendar accounts. Managing these accounts ensures that your calendar syncs properly. After you tap on Accounts and Backup, you'll see options to manage your accounts and backup data, which is key for maintaining your device's functionality. From there, tap on Manage Accounts. This will take you to a list of all the accounts currently synced with your device. You might see various accounts such as Google, Samsung, or others. This step is significant because you need to ensure you are selecting the correct account for your calendar. By managing your accounts here, you can troubleshoot syncing issues effectively. Once you have accessed Manage Accounts, you are now one step closer to fixing your calendar syncing problem. Now, select your Google, Samsung, or other calendar account. This is the account associated with your calendar events. Depending on your setup, you might have one or more accounts linked to your device. Choosing the right account is important because it allows you to control which calendar data you want to sync. After selecting the account, you'll be able to adjust specific sync settings related to that account. Next, tap on Sync Account. This option allows you to manage the sync settings for the selected account. When you tap on Sync Account, you may see various toggles for different types of data, including emails, contacts, and of course the calendar. This step is essential because enabling the right sync options ensures that your calendar stays updated with the latest events and reminders. Once you have accessed the Sync Account settings, you are almost ready to finalize the sync process. At this point, turn on Calendar. You will see a toggle switch next to the calendar option. Make sure this switch is turned on. This action is crucial as it directly affects whether your calendar data syncs with your device. By enabling this option, you ensure that your appointments, reminders, and other calendar entries are kept up to date across all your devices. After toggling the calendar option, you are just one more step away from syncing your calendar. After that, tap on Sync Now. This option initiates the syncing process immediately. You should see a confirmation message or an indication that syncing is in progress. This step is vital because it triggers the synchronization process, ensuring that all your calendar data is updated at once. After tapping Sync Now, be patient as your device retrieves the latest calendar information from your account. Following these steps will help ensure your Samsung calendar is syncing correctly. Remember, keeping your calendar updated is essential for staying organized and on top of your schedule. If you follow these instructions carefully, you should see your calendar begin to sync seamlessly. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.